Hey, what's up, Gauchos? My name is Alex Moon, your food access advocate. Are you tired of food recipes that require ingredients that you've never even heard about? Have you felt like you've ran out of places to eat an IV, but you're afraid to cook? I'm here to help. I'm going to share a recipe that only requires simple ingredients that you can get from Food Bank, but it's going to taste as awesome as your mom's home cooked meal. Alright, so let me show you the ingredients that I have. We have onions, we have a few slices of garlic, and we have carrots, we have chicken broth, spaghetti, some oil, and leftover dumplings. So I originally make chicken noodles with pasta, but since I'm out of chicken, I'm going to be replacing chicken with dumplings. Alright, so let me show you how to work with the basic ingredients first. So first, the easiest one I would say, the carrots. So with the carrots, simply with the peeler, peel from your body away from you. Okay. Next thing, we have onions here. Next thing, the garlic. This is a fresh garlic, so it's really hard. So the easiest way to get this garlic chopped is you crush it. Be careful with your hand using the knife. Crush the garlic and take out the skin of the garlic, and you're gonna be able to chop the crushed part of the garlic. Very easily. Alright. Do the same thing with the carrots. Start chopping. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's take it to the kitchen. Alright, now that we're in the kitchen, let's get it cooking. So we have a hot pot ready, and we're gonna start with the oil. So when the pot is all ready, then the oil is gonna start making this sizzling noise, and that's when you want to start putting your vegetables in, so you can start stir frying it. Perfect timing to start with the vegetables. Okay, stir fry until the vegetable gets orangish color. So you're not burning the vegetable, and you'll be able to actually soak it with the chicken stock as well. Okay. All right. Lower down the heat, and we have a little bit of salt. You can definitely alter the amount of salt and pepper that you're going to be adding. Depends on your personal flavor or taste that you like to have. Okay. Alright, it's time to open up the chicken stock. Be careful. Alright, here we go, be careful. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper. Alright. Okay, see how it goes. Perfect. It's almost getting to the point where I like to have. Alright, the next step is cook the spaghetti. Once the chicken stock boils, you can have a handful of pasta. Okay. And I think it's also a good time to add our protein, the gyoza. Since it's frozen, I think it's a perfect time to add it in right now. And we're gonna leave this on until the pasta and both gyoza gets done, and we're good to go. Alright, my friend, dinner is ready. Come join us. So this is my recipe submission to hashtag Gaucho Food Bank Challenge. Don't forget to submit your recipe today and get a chance to win $30 gift card to Costco. Thank you.